Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a basic video watching site on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now for this, we're going to be using embeds. You can also use any media you have on your site, which you should do. Now, if you want your users to be able to upload videos, I am not sure how you would do that. That is a bit more complicated, and you most likely need to code it yourself. You might be able to find plugins for it, which I do not know if there are any, but if you want, you can just upload your media here, and whichever media in video format you upload, you can then embed onto your site. Now, I do recommend you get a paid plan to increase the amount of storage you have for your media if you want to upload it yourself. But once you do that, then you can go ahead and go into the editor. From the editor, you're going to go ahead and change any pages you want to include the videos. Now, for example, let me just get rid of some of these elements which I do not need, and for some reason I cannot delete these. So let me just go ahead and delete them manually like this. And after you do that, you can then go ahead and I'll just delete everything on this page to make it easier for me, except for the header. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on the plus, and we're just going to go ahead and go on video. And as you can see, you can upload videos like this. However, this is in the paid version. Whichever block has this red dot in the top right, you do need to have a paid version of WordPress to use it. So you do need to have a paid plan. As you can see, you need premium. You can also go to media and text. I'm not sure if that includes something else. I'm not sure if you can select videos or just images, but that is pretty much it. You can also embed it from YouTube or from WordPress. And of course, whenever you embed a video, people will be able to watch it. You can set up additional options from here, but in essence, that is pretty much all you need to do. It is as easy as that. Again, other functionalities might be more complicated to implement. You might need to code something yourself, but in essence, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.